This is what we had initially. We had this. But now, seeing that we are able to prove this using triangles or area of a triangle formula, it means you needed to have those extensions. Fine, and it works quite easy. Now, this is what we ultimately have come up with. This is the first conclusion. Remember, we were required to prove this. This is the first conclusion. Then the second conclusion is this one. Now, after having the first conclusion and the second conclusion, we can now agree that since we are dealing with area of triangle, I mean, the formula for area of a triangle, whatever triangle, will still be the same. It will still be half base multiplied by perpendicular height. Now, eventually, because this is what we have concluded here, and this is what we have concluded here, we can just come up with this concluding statement and say, because of that, it means side AD over side BD must be in proportion with side AE over side EC. That is the concluding statement of that theorem. I quickly want us to take one or two examples based on this that I would request you to do them with me. I will not do them for you. I want you to practice doing this. The example in question reads as follows. It says, maybe I must quickly write it down. It says, in triangle ABC, you have line side DE, which is now parallel to side BC. Side DE, which is parallel to side BC. And in this case, we're having side AB, which is equals to 28 millimeters. And the ratio of AE to EC is such that is 4:3. If I've got to explain this, they say the length of AE is going to be 4 units when the length of EC is going to be 4 units. I wish we get that one right. Now they say determine the length. Determine the length of side BD. When you look at this statement, it tells you, okay, this if you are given this type of a statement, it will always be accompanied by a diagram. In this case, this is how my diagram would look like. Diagram of triangle ABC. The diagram of triangle ABC. This is how it's going to look like. Say you are having triangle ABC. Fine. But when you look at this triangle ABC, you are going to have the line DE, which must be parallel to BC. This is what will always be given to you. This is what will always be given to you. Because at least here we are not solving a theorem. We are actually on a rider. This is what is called a rider. We are applying a theorem. So it means we are having DE, which must be parallel to BC as given to the statement. Now, when you look at this, they say AB. Where is AB? AB, this is where AB is. AB must be 28 millimeters long. And when you look at AE, they say AE must be 4 units. This must be 4 units, which I will prefer to write them as 4K. EC will be 3 units. This will be 3K. Such that when you look at the whole side AC, it must give you 7. This must be of 7 units long. That is from here to here. Now they say you must determine what? They request you to determine the side. I mean, this is just a direct application of the theorem. Remember, with the theorem, this is what we have come up with. We have come up with side AD over side BD. Side AD over side BD is equals to side AE over side EC. Side AB over BD is equals to side AE over EC. That is what we have proved. Now we must use that knowledge to prove, to determine this. This is what we now requested to prove, the length BD. I'm going to give you 5 minutes, learners, to go through this, and it's only 2 marks question. Let's quickly do that. Take 5 minutes.